Let's start. Today we will see how to implement a slider in Flutter Android. Let's see the main.dart file. First, we import the material.dart package. Then, in the main function, we create the stateless widget called myApp. This is the myApp stateless widget. In the build function, we create a material app and apply a theme. The home attribute is set to a stateful widget called My Home Page. This is the My Home Page stateful widget. Here we create a state object of this stateful widget, whose name is _My Home Page State. This is _My Home Page State class. Here we will design our app. We set the initial value of the slider at 50. In the build function, we have a scaffold widget, upon which we will design other widgets. The app bar attribute is set to the app bar widget. And the title variable is used as the title of the app bar. The body attribute is set to the center widget. Inside the center widget, we have a slider widget. Here we set the minimum value of the slider as 0, and the maximum value as 100. The initial value is set to 50. Then we set the active color, inactive color, thumb color, label, etc. of the slider. When the slider is moved, the onChanged function gets called. Here we update the slider value. Let's run the app. So that's it. That's how you can create a slider in Flutter Android. Thank you.